Hi everyone, today's Michigan Harvest of the Month recipe is vegetable quesadillas. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go over all of our ingredients. Our first ingredient is a half cup of chopped green bell peppers. Bell peppers are actually our food of the month this month. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system and your health and development. Next we have a half cup of thawed frozen corn, or you can use canned corn. Either one works just fine. Corn is also a good source of vitamin C and a great source of fiber, which is good for your digestive system. Our next ingredient is a half cup of chopped green onions. Next we have a half cup of chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C and vitamin K and are good for your heart. And then here we have 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, which I have pre-measured here in this little cup. Next we have a half cup of low-fat shredded cheese. Cheese is a dairy product which contains calcium, which is really good for your bones. And then I also have here spinach. The recipe does not call for spinach, but I really like spinach, and spinach is a great source of iron, which helps keep your body really strong. So I'm gonna add some spinach in there. And then lastly, we have 4 6-inch flour tortillas. You can always use bigger or smaller tortillas, whichever you prefer is fine. So all right, let's get started. All right, so today I'm using a flat top skillet, but you can use a pan if you have that at home if you don't have a flat top skillet. So we're gonna start off with sauteing the bell peppers. And the corn. And you're just gonna let those get nice and hot. Just like that. And once those are good and hot and sauteed a good amount, you can add in your tomatoes. And your green onions. We're just gonna mix it all together. And then once those have gone for a little while, you can go ahead and add in your cilantro. And then if you chose to add spinach or whatever other vegetable you wanted to add, you can go ahead and add that as well. And then you just want to mix that all up and let it get nice and hot. Make sure everything's nice and cooked and sauteed. So while this is still cooking, you can grab your tortilla shell, and on the other part of the grill that you're not using or in a separate pan, you can place one of them right there. Another one right there. And then you're gonna wanna take equal parts of the cheese that you have and put it on part of it, just like this. And then you're gonna go ahead and take your veggies and put some on your tortilla. And same with the other one. All right, and then you're gonna fold it in half. Just like that. And then you're gonna let the cheese get nice and hot and melted. And then they're all done. You can go ahead and cut them up and enjoy them. All right, guys, here is the finished product. Thanks for watching. See you next time.